Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ki Khobor Shobar. So in today's video I'll be doing two natural DIY recipe. One is for oily skin and another one is for dry skin, as I promised you guys on the last video, which was the winter skincare routine. So here's the DIY. I hope you guys will be helpful. I just hope. So now without any further ado, let's jump onto the DIY. The first DIY is for dry skin. Hello all the dry skin people out there. I am also from dry skin. So first thing that I'll be needing is some yogurt. Yogurt will naturally moisturize your face. It will reduce the wrinkle and fine line from your face. It will fix the blemishes, and as well it's gonna soothe your skin within, which is very important for dry skin people. The next thing that I'm gonna be needing is some extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is really good for your skin as well. It will remove the clogged pores. It will exfoliate your skin from within, which is as well very important for dry skin people. The third thing that I'll be needing is some almond oil. Almond oil is gonna deep cleanse your face, and it will as well gonna reduce your dark circle. The last thing, but the must thing that I'll be needing is some honey. Honey will rejuvenate your skin as well. It will give you a healthy glow on your face. So let's jump onto the DIY now. First thing first, I'll be taking one bowl or saucer, and then I'm gonna be taking 2 spoons of yogurt or 3 spoons of yogurt, totally up to you. There is no ratio, you can always take your own. So I'm taking 2 teaspoons of yogurt out there. And the next thing that I'm gonna be mixing is some honey. I'm gonna be taking 1 teaspoon of honey or half of the spoon of honey, totally up to you. And I'm going to be mixing them really well. Then I'm going to be taking some extra virgin olive oil, let's say 1 teaspoon. I'm going to be mixing them again really well, and then I'm going to be taking 1 teaspoon of almond oil, and then I'm going to be again mixing them together very well. You have to make sure that you mix all the ingredient very well, because if you don't mix, then it will feel more greasy, which you don't want, I guess. So my recipe is ready for applying on your face. As you can see, it looks so yummy, but not for eating, but for applying on your face. So my next recipe is for the oily skin girl out there, which I generally don't do a lot. So here is my recipe for you guys. First thing, again, I'm going to be needing some yogurt, and then I'm going to be needing 1 egg, but not the yolk of the egg, but the white of the egg, just for the oily skin people, which is really important again. And the third thing that I'm going to be needing is some honey again, which is totally optional. So first thing first, I'm going to be taking some yogurt, let's say 1 or 2 teaspoons of yogurt. I'm going to be taking only the white of the egg. White of the egg will tighten up your clogged pores. It will control the excess oil from your oily skin, which is another important thing. As you can see, I'm just taking the white of the yolk egg, and then I'm going to be mixing 1 teaspoon of honey onto the mixture. I'm going to be mixing all the ingredients together very well, and my recipe is ready for all the oily skin girl out there. And here is my recipe look like. Now it's time to apply this on my face. As you can see, my skin is looking not so good. It is not on the best condition. It looks so dull. So I'm going to be applying the dry skin recipe on my face, as I belong from dry skin family. So I'm going to be taking the first recipe that I made for my face. Not smell the best, of course, but best for face. So I'm going to be applying this all over my face. You can as well use this on the neck and on the other body part, doesn't really matter. I'm going to be applying all over my face, especially like my forehead area and some of the area where I have some pigmentation issues. So I'll be keeping this on my face for flat 10 minutes, and I'm going to be rinsing it off with cool clean water, and that's how my skin is actually looking like. As you can see, it is looking so bright as well. So then I'm going to be taking my regular moisturizer. I'm going to be applying this all over my face. This is totally optional. If you feel that you don't need moisturization, totally up to you. So I'm going to be just applying this all over my face, the moisturizer, and that's how my skin is looking like. I hope you guys can see the before and after. My skin is already looking very glowy and softy. So I hope you guys liked my video. If you do so, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and as well don't forget to click the bell button right next to it to keep updated about all my videos. I'll be back in my next video. Till then, please take care. I love you all so much. Bye bye.